Hello, good evening. I just having fun with the chaos project, so I'm actually trying to understand its project structure. So actually, I have some clue how to start, and I need to understand the structure first before I write any codes and add some features. So just avoid some conflict or any bugs. Then as you can see, I'm actually using uh, Visual Studio Code for the Java just to make it more readable in my part because in this one, so sometimes if I open the source code, it causes some issues. But the backend actually works, but there are some piece of code which is I was unable to execute it. But actually, the UI is actually working now. Uh, this is the initial result. Actually, I get some problem with understanding the system as of now because when I tried to translate in English, it was unable to translate. It's not translatable. Okay. The only thing that I can translate is the text. Oh, as you can see, it translates automatically. It actually works. So, uh, some functions cause issues. Okay. Then regarding the question that you have asked during the morning meeting, just to share with you, sir, the list of mm, dependencies that I've removed. So this is the template that Sir Ben have sent to me. It is actually Vue.js with Beautify, and as you can see, it has a lot of components from here. It's complete of any required components. So I can imagine how many components it has. Then the only screen that I need as of now is in views, then authentication. Then for authentication they have three options. Then we use the option 1, option 3. Then we also use uh, login page 2 for the login. Then this one for registration. So we use this one. So it's a combination of design. Then what I did is, as you can see in this package.json, it has a lot of this dependencies. So let's start with this one. So I remove this one in the template. Then after that, after I remove, it caused some issue. So I need to try. Then another is the this one. So it's part. They are actually one. Then we have the uh, so this one animation. Then so the same thing of this. Then for this one, so from its name charts. So it's one. Uh, the template use this to manipulate API requests for dummy. Then this one, the chance, uh, actually, it chance is a in as user. And actually, I'm not totally sure because I did not use this one, but based on my research, they use this to generate uh, dummy information for users. So this one, I also removed this one. They use this to manipulate data. It works the same with moments. If you're then I replace it with default beautify icon display. Then this one, in the project we don't use calendar, so I already removed that one. Then this one, view validate. So they use that one. Then for view clipboard, they use it to for copy paste functionality actually, and manipulating the clipboard. Then the view draggable next, it is a view supported. So actually, the project actually required this one, so I did not remove this one since we need this to translate the levels from existing specification, so we don't require captcha, so I also remove that one. Then view tabular icon, so it manage icons. The same thing with the above apex chart is also used in managing charts. So for this one, I also remove this one, view carousel, that I replace it with swiper because swiper or table, which is you can actually edit inside the table. So it has that functionality. So this one I also remove this one. It's they use it to uh, to generate uh, printing with this. Then view draggable. I also remove this one because we don't have the function according to Sir Ben. I need to prioritize the chaos project to run in locally. So as of now, I need to trace the cause of error and adjust just to avoid another issue. So that's how it works. Also, according um, about the refactoring, as you can see, compose as small as possible.